The water you're drinking right now might have once been inside a dinosaur. Yeah, an actual T-Rex. See, the water on Earth is part of what scientists call a closed system. That means no new water comes in and no old water goes out. So every drop you drink has been through everything, from oceans to clouds, from clouds to rain, to rivers, to bladders, into toilets and back again. Maybe it once steamed out of a volcano, then cooled into a glacier. Maybe it dripped down a cave for 10,000 years, then ended up in the mouth of a woolly mammoth. Or hey, maybe it sat in the golden goblet of Julius Caesar. Or passed through Sydney Sweeney's bathwater. Yep, that too. Either way, it's been around. That thin film of H2O has seen more than we ever will. It's fallen as rain on the pyramids. It's frozen at the poles and risen through rainforest canopies. It's passed through dinosaurs, emperors, rebels, and saints. And now, it's inside you. So next time you take a sip, remember, you're not just hydrating, you're sipping Earth's memory.